Here's an upgrade we've been wanting to do for a while. It's the bed. I mean, everybody knows when you buy one of these RVs, this is the most comfortable mattress ever made. I'm kidding. These things are horrible. They're like rock. They're very thin. Anybody who slept on one knows what I'm talking about. So we are going to be taking this out, replacing it with an Oli, I believe is how you pronounce the name. It is a foam mattress. So they're lightweight. They will decompress and then it'll be ready to use. The other thing that's wrong with the RV mattress is the length. A typical queen bed would be 80 inches. This is 72. So we're missing quite a bit there, and for someone as tall as me, I need every little bit I can get. So what we did for last year, stuck a body pillow up at the head, and down at the foot, we extended it out by adding new plywood. So the first job, get this thing out of my way. So now that that's gone, you can see how this works. All I did was take these hinges off, create a larger piece of wood. You may need to create some kind of support just to support that extra weight when we put the new mattress in here. Here it is. Now the fun part. And that's it. Nothing to do now but wait, let it expand, get to its full shape, sleep on it, and then give you an accurate review of what we think. Who's that?
Me. Hi.
Come check out the new bed. It's right there.
I like it.
All right, so it's been about 48 hours since I unwrapped the mattress, so it's had plenty of time to expand. We did order the 10-inch mattress, and it has expanded quite a bit. Check this out, how thick it is. So now this goes all the way to the foot and to the head. Squishy mattress. In fact, so if you order one of these things, I highly doubt you're going to regret it unless you didn't measure first to make sure you've got room. This is a full-size residential mattress, which means it's 80 inches long, and some RVs don't have the room for that. They're just made shorter. So double check your measurements before you order so that you don't get frustrated when you open that packaging and realize this bed doesn't quite fit. Because man, this thing is comfortable and I hate to see anyone have to return it. So it's been a few weeks since we installed the mattress and we've had plenty of opportunity to sleep on it. So I'll share with you a couple of things that we really like about it. So one of the things we like is because of the size of the mattress, it's just a standard queen mattress, so we can use any bedding we like, make it look much more like a home. So it's a good overall mattress. It is firm without being hard. It's plush without being too squishy. So we really like it. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe while you're here, and if you're interested in this mattress, we're gonna put a link down below so you can check it out for yourself. But that's all we got, so we will see you next time.
It's so soft. I want
Hey,
this in my room.
little snacks on my bed.